Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to What Do We Feed Our Children? I'm happy to introduce you to a brand new, for me at least, healthy snack that your kids will absolutely love. And let's be honest, so will you. Whether at home or out and about, this quick and easy snack is the right way to keep your little ones fueled up and ready to go. I'm talking about the delicious and nutritious Greek yogurt parfait with banana, kiwi, seeds mix and walnuts. Yummy! Here's what you'll need. Greek yogurt, 5.3 ounces. A kiwi, approximately 2.5 ounces. Half a banana, approximately 2 ounces. Seeds mix, 0.9 ounces. Walnuts, 0.35 ounces. Now, let's get down to business. First of all, grind the seeds mix and the walnuts. There are 3 options for making this parfait and they are all equally awesome. First option, the I'm in a hurry option. Simply prepare the ingredients separately, toss them into a container or 2 and take them with you on the go. When you're ready to eat, mix the seeds and the walnuts with the yogurt for a delicious, healthy treat. You can also add the fruits or serve them separately. Second option, the I'm feeling fancy option. Layer the ingredients in a single container for a beautiful, Instagram-worthy parfait. Bonus points if you serve it with a cute little glass jar. And the third option, the I like to mix things up option. Throw all the ingredients into a container and mix them together for a yummy, crunchy and satisfying snack that's perfect for any occasion. This version must be consumed while it is fresh. Nuts oxidize and after a few hours the snack will start to have a bitter taste. Let's not forget the spoon. Being a parent can be tough, but finding quick and easy snacks doesn't have to be. With this new twist on our Greek yogurt parfait, you can give your kids a snack that's not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients to keep them going. And if you want to switch things up even more, try experimenting with different fruits and toppings to create your own unique parfait creations. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again soon. And remember, stay healthy and cheerful.